morning, children. How are you all? Yesterday you have seen that we have studied how to balance a chemical equation. That was clear? So have you done the homework? Okay. So today let us start about the type of chemical reactions. Reactions are of different types. So first let us start with the first type of chemical reaction, that is combination reaction. As the name indicates, combination means we are going to combine together. So this is a type of reaction where two or more substances combine together to form a single substance. Is it clear, children? It's a type of reaction where two or more substances combine together to form a single substance. So it's a type of reaction where two or more substances combine together to form a single substance. Okay, so combination reaction means it's a type of reaction where two or more substances combine to form a single substance. Now this two or more substances means it can be of different nature. It can be two elements, or it can be two compounds, or it can be an element or a compound. So let us explain with the help of certain examples. First you consider reaction between hydrogen and chlorine. Hydrogen combines with chlorine and results in the formation of hydrogen chloride. So here you can see that two elements combine together to form a single substance, that is the product. Is it clear? So this is an example for a combination reaction where two elements combine together to form a substance. Another example you consider, that is magnesium combines with chlorine and results in the magnesium combines with oxygen and results in the formation of magnesium oxide. So here again you can see that two simple substances, two elements combine together to form a single substance, that is a compound. Is it clear? Next example you consider for compound. That is, you consider calcium oxide combines with water and results in the formation of calcium hydroxide. Okay children, calcium oxide combines with water and results in the formation of calcium hydroxide. Here you can see that two compounds combine together and results in the formation of a single substance. And this is an example for a very important reaction, that is, I will explain you. You know what is calcium? Common name of calcium oxide? It is otherwise termed as quicklime. Okay, so this calcium oxide, when reacts with water, it is a very fast reaction, or it is a very vigorous reaction, and it is exothermic in nature. That means it liberates large quantity of heat energy. The reaction takes place with the hissing sound, and it produces large amount of heat energy, and it results in the formation of calcium hydroxide. This calcium hydroxide exists as a suspension. So you just filter the solution so that you will get a clear solution which contains soluble calcium hydroxide, and with the help of a brush you can apply it in your walls. And when this calcium hydroxide comes in contact with the carbon dioxide that is present in air, it produces a thin layer of calcium carbonate. That is why children, you can see that after whitewashing, after one day, you can see that the wall becomes pure white. But at this time when you are whitewashing, it is not white in color, it is having a off-white color. And the day that is calcium hydroxide, when reacts with carbon dioxide which is present in air and results in the formation of white layer of calcium carbonate. Actually this is the secret which takes place during the whitewashing process. Is it clear children, this process? So let us come back to combination reaction, where we have seen that two compounds combine together and results in the formation of a single substance. So this is another example for combination reaction. Let me explain this process once again. Calcium hydroxide, when it is react, that is, you can just take a beaker. That is, if you want to get the process clear, just take a beaker and take some 2 or 3 grams of calcium oxide. 2 or 3 grams of calcium oxide you can take in this, and add water. When you add water to this, the reaction becomes very violent. That is, it's a fast reaction and it produces, you can see the formation of bubbles with the liberation of heat energy. The reaction is highly exothermic in nature. So, you generally, just mix it with the help of a stick and it results in the formation of calcium hydroxide, which is a suspension. So you filter the solution to get soluble calcium hydroxide and by applying a brush you can paint it. You can do the whitewashing process. And this layer, when comes in contact with the carbon dioxide which is present in air, it produces a thin white layer of calcium carbonate. That is, it is pure white in color. Is it clear, children? Okay, so we have seen two types of examples of combination reaction. So one case where elements combine together to form a single substance, and the other case we have seen that two compounds combine together to form a single substance. Is it clear? Now let us consider another example where one element combines with a compound. For example, you consider nitric oxide combines with oxygen and results in the formation of NO2. Is it clear, children? So here you can say that a compound combines with an element and results in the formation of a single substance. Is it clear? One more example you can consider. Sulfur dioxide combines with oxygen and results in the formation of sulfur trioxide. Is it clear? So in this case also, one element combines with a compound and results in the formation of a single substance. Is it clear, children? What is combination reaction? So the type of reaction where two or more substances combine together to form a single substance is termed as combination reaction. So we have seen that the reaction can be between two elements or between two compounds or between an element and a compound and results in single substance. Is it clear? Okay, now let us study with the second type of reaction, that is decomposition reaction. As the term indicates, decomposition is just the opposite of combination reaction. So can you define the term decomposition? Yes, the reaction which involves the decomposition or the breaking down of a complex substance into simple substances is termed as decomposition reaction. The reaction which involves the breakdown, the reaction which involves the decomposition of a complex substance into simple substances. Okay, a complex substance is getting decomposed into simple substances is termed as decomposition reaction. This decomposition reaction takes place under different conditions. So generally this decomposition reactions mainly we can divide it into three types. First one is termed as thermal decomposition reaction. As the term indicates, thermal, that means heat. So thermal decomposition reaction means the decomposition reaction which takes place in presence of heat. Is it clear? Decomposition means that is the breakdown of a complex substance when it takes place in presence of heat and results in the formation of simple substances is termed as thermal decomposition reaction. Let us explain some examples. You just consider calcium carbonate. When you heat calcium carbonate, it decomposes into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So this is an example for thermal decomposition reaction. Calcium carbonate on heating decomposes to form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Another example, let us consider hydrated ferrous sulfate. This hydrated ferrous sulfate is green in color. Children, first if you heat it, this ferrous sulfate gets converted to a dirty white color, anhydrous ferrous sulfate. Hydrated ferrous sulfate on heating gets converted to anhydrous ferrous sulfate, which is having a dirty white color. When you continuously heat this dirty ferrous sulfate, it gets converted to a reddish brown color ferric oxide plus sulfur dioxide plus sulfur trioxide. Is it clear? Ferrous sulfate, that is anhydrous ferrous sulfide on heating decomposes to form ferric oxide. The ferric oxide possesses a reddish brown color and you will get two colorless gases, that is sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide, they will be having very offensive smell. Is it clear, children? So this is another example of decomposition reaction which takes place in presence of heat, which is termed as thermal decomposition reaction. Is it clear? This is very important since we are having only two colorful hydrated salts. One is ferrous sulfate which possesses green color and the other one is copper sulfate which is having blue color. Is it clear? So ferrous sulfate, hydrated ferrous sulfate is otherwise termed as green vitriol. Due to this particular color, it is termed as green vitriol, which on heating produces a dirty white color, anhydrous ferrous sulfate. On continuous heating, this anhydrous ferrous sulfide decomposes and will give you reddish brown color ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. This type of reaction, the board can ask you the observations. Is it clear? So first green color will turn to dirty white color, which on heating will give you reddish brown color ferric oxide, and sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide are colorless gases but they possesses very strange odor. Is it clear? Now let us consider one more example for thermal decomposition reaction, that is decomposition of lead nitrate. If you consider lead nitrate, it is white in color. On heating, it decomposes to form lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. Lead nitrate on heating decomposes to form lead oxide. Nitrogen dioxide is having a reddish brown color. Nitrogen dioxide is having a reddish brown color. So here when you heat lead, that is lead nitrate possesses white color and lead oxide is having a yellow color, light yellow color. So when you heat this lead nitrate, first you can observe a cracking sound, like when you put mustard seeds in oil, it produces a sound. The same way when you heat lead nitrate, you can observe, you can hear that cracking sound with the liberation of reddish brown color NO2. Is it clear? NO2 possesses reddish brown color. At the same time, you can see the lower side of test tube will be having a light yellow color substance, that is due to the presence of lead oxide. And we all know that oxygen is a colorless gas. Is it clear, children? So we have studied about 2-3 examples for thermal decomposition reaction. Is it clear what is decomposition reaction? So decomposition reaction means the reaction which takes place or which results in the formation of two or more simple substances by the decomposition of a complex substance. This can take place under different conditions, and we have just studied in detail about thermal decomposition reaction, that is the reaction which takes place in presence of heat. Is it clear? Okay, children, so we will continue the class in next period. Thank you.